Outside first. So just a quick video of the fence that I was making. Finish up the top, and at the down side the cabinet is lift a little bit. Sorry. Yeah, I was just finishing the fence. I wanted it to be my New Year's present, my New Year's successful project, but due to time and everything, it's not yet finished. But we give thanks. So I was doing this T slot here that you can attach the stop block or the hand guard that's going to be here mounted here. Yeah, still we give thanks. Yeah, like I said, it's a short video. The first. Yeah, give thanks. Yeah, man. Happy New Year's to everyone. Sila. Yeah. See, it's a router. Yeah. Give thanks. Yeah. Sila. I'm very very happy that it's finished. It's a success. It's a success. Little first. Nice. Yeah. So here would be like shelves, or like I said, the cabins where a lot of beats are going to be placed, and the tools, the writer tools, yeah, the spanner and everything. Yeah, give thanks. Go, see you.